one last try, and if this doesn't work, I have to move on. No, you see, it's time. Hey beautiful, this is the Lockin Veno Plus, the world's first smart lock that unlocks with your palm veins. Your veins, like it looked inside my body and say, yeah, we trust you. Behold the palm. Watch, all I do is raise my hands like I'm swearing into the Avengers. 0.17 seconds opens. That's the fastest way to unlock a smart lock in the whole entire world. They say it works with wet hands, dirty hands, long nails, short nails, basically any situation except when your hand's super busy holding a burrito. But even then, look at that, magic. Now, if you bought all of the things that this one lock replaces, you'd be looking at spending about $500 to $600. And that's like paying for the whole cast of the Avengers individually. And this is what all the brands want you to deal with. Lockin says, nah, let's put it all in one because Don is tired. And inside the Lockin phone app, you'll find many customization settings, including door lock settings, camera settings, and even deadbolt calibration settings. The app also allows you to add users, delete users, manage users, give user access via the palm vein reading, fingerprint, or just the own access code. This camera sees everything. It sees left, right, up, down, both sides. It's basically my mom. Bro, I can't even hide from my own house. So what's Lockin? Lockin is basically the world's first palm vein smart lock innovator. It scans inside of your hand, not the outside, but inside. Yes, it sees your veins. Your veins. I don't even know my veins that well. And it could read your veins in 0.17 seconds, faster than your ex can text you back while they're bored. And plus, they can even work with your wet, dirty hands. And this camera here, it doesn't just see you, it sees all of you from head to toe. It includes your shoes and dirty socks. Because the Lockin cam has a triaxial 180 degrees times 180 degrees times 180 degree lens. Lockin shows you everything, even when you're walking up really close. Still clear, still 2K, still looking like a Netflix villain. And the best part is the P2P transmission. That means it's transmitting from your device straight to your phone. Not the cloud, not the server in Nebraska, not the intern who ignores half of your tickets, just you. Lockin is the only smart lock with the built-in dual motion detection. 3 to 5 seconds for human alerts. That's faster than my dog can bark absolutely nothing. A 60 gig wave radar plus a PIR sensor. Translation, it knows when somebody is at your door, even if somebody is sneaking back at home at 2 a.m. in the morning. This thing also has rechargeable batteries and an option for solar panel, which means infinite battery life. Even on cloudy days like this, it charges 3 to 5%. So yeah, it uses the sun. like a houseplant. And if you don't use solar, no problem. The battery lasts 3 months on one single charge. Unlike locks where you have to remove the entire lock like you were defusing a bomb just to change the batteries. For the fancy people, there's also a dual battery version so you never run out. Everyone in my family uses the Lockin. Me with the palm, my wife with the finger, kids again with the palm, grandma, grandpa. But the delivery guys, no way, absolutely not, no access. Plus it works with Alexa, Google Home, and even Apple Home. So yeah, my lock is smarter than half of the people in my group chat. You can unlock the Lockin using a fingerprint. You can also unlock it via a 6-digit code. Whether it's temporary or permanent, that's up to you. You assign and you control all of that. The Lockin allows you to manually lock the door, or if you want to set to auto lock, where if you have kids who are constantly forgetting to lock the door, it automatically locks so you don't forget. Honestly, we're living in the future and it is so cool to be able to unlock your door with a palm. But for all you skeptics out there that are afraid that if the battery dies, what are we gonna do? So there is a keyhole in here. This Lockin comes with a pair of keys that will manually lock and unlock using the keyhole. And you just cover it up with the doorbell. So if you want safe, simple, smart home security for the whole entire family, without subscriptions, without the extra add-ons, or without feeling like you're assembling a spaceship, you want the Lockins. Then raise your palm, because the future is here.